Hi, welcome back to my channel. We're going to continue on with our 2007 Impala rebuild. We got parts in today. The front suspension parts came in, and let's take a look at what we got. Right here, that's what we've got so far. Taking a look real quick, we've got two front struts from Detroit Axle. I actually ordered these prior to the car being in an accident because I was going to replace them for my wife's Christmas present. Now they're going to get replaced for a different reason. Also coming down here, we have two new CV axles, driver's side and the passenger side. The passenger side is actually a little bit longer and has a different end on it, which is kind of interesting. I knew they weren't exactly the same because they were different part numbers, but I didn't realize they were that much different. Also, we've got two new bearing hubs. These are Moog hubs, which are actually really decent hubs. I've had them on this Impala for quite a while. We had about 3 months to go, and in here were the new bolts that I was talking about to hold the hubs to the steering knuckle. You can see the blue thread sealant on there. Those are 13mm bolts. And there was like $3 for a set of 5, or $5 for a set of 3, excuse me. And I got 2 boxes, one for each side. Okay, this is the 10-piece suspension kit from Detroit Axle. It comes with the inner tie rods, the boots that go with the inner tie rods, the outer tie rods, the sway bar links, and both control arms. Both the passenger and the driver's side control arms. So like I said, we'll see how these all work out. They're definitely better than what's on the car right now. Also, I've got axle seals, and these are actual Delco axle seals. So one's the driver's side, one's the passenger side. Those will get replaced when we replace the CV axles. So that's it for right now. Next video will be us installing these parts and getting this car rolling under its own power, getting it out of the driveway and into the garage where I can work on it in some relative warmth. Anyhow, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like button if you like this. Hit the subscribe button if you're so inclined, and thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you later. Thanks.